Welcome to our today's video, where we are at the final stage of electrode production, which is here after calendering. And in general, at this stage we measure the thickness of the electrodes, but today we measure the edge quality, or more precisely, the formation of wrinkles. But what are wrinkles and where do they come from? Well, the formation of wrinkles can be traced back to the fact that during compression of the calendering rolls, the compression only takes place at the coated part of the foil and not on the uncoated sheets. This results in residual stresses, and this is the root cause for wrinkles. And wrinkles are a serious problem for our customer, as it impacts the subsequent production processes, such as, for example, coiling. If we measure that the wrinkles are too big, we could, for example, increase the tension on the electrode or increase the temperature of the rolls. Both has a positive impact on the yield behavior of the material. For this measurement task, we make use of a chromatic line sensor, CLS, with a line length of 20 millimeters, and some of the results will be shown next.